Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to submit a discussion. So once you're in a course, you can open up that remote learning folder, and a discussion is going to have this icon here, which is a orange and blue comment box. So you can see there are questions that I need to be answering in this discussion box, so I'm going to click on this, and the teacher has put an area for instruction which says please answer the following questions. What is your favorite color? And what is your favorite sport? So as the student, I'm going to click here and I can begin saying my favorite color is blue and my favorite sport is basketball. I can also add a file if I would like to. So if a teacher ever asks, can you upload an image? You would be able to do that through File. Or you could even add a link if you would like to as well. When I'm done with my discussion post, I'm going to click Post. And you can see now that my post is down below. As more students continually post things, they will all show up here. You can also see in the instructions it says, make sure to comment on one other post. Right now, I'm the only post in here. But what I can do is I can find someone else's post. So we're going to pretend this is someone else's and click Reply. Now I can click here and begin typing, that is great. I also like the color blue. Again, you have the same option to add a file or a link as well, and then hit Post Reply. And you'll see now students can actually communicate with one another using the discussion post. The teacher can also reply to a discussion post, so this is a great digital environment for communication and collaboration. So I hope this was helpful in learning how to post a discussion